Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I came up with a big news. Recently I am thinking why I'm not making my content in English, because all over the world there are many peoples and they don't understand Bengali or other language, but when it's came to English they really understand it. So I thinking I already have a Facebook page where I uploaded my contents in Bangla. So I think I can upload my content in English in my YouTube channel. But my English level is very poor and my English speaking is not too much fluent. So it's really hard for me to making content in English. But I think if I working hard, then I can progress with it. And making content in English, it's really a challenging for me. But I decided whatever it takes or whatever it comes, I make my content in English. Yes, there are many reasons for making this decision, and one of the reason is in my country Bangladesh there are not much content creators aren't making videos in English. They're making Bengali videos too much, and I think why I'm not doing different than them. So I decided to make content in English, and I am in a beginner level. You can tell I am beginner level in English. So first time it's really hard for me to create content, but I can try my best. And also I hope you all support me for making content. There are also another reasons for this decision. Recently I taking recently I attended a viva in a bank where English fluent must needed. So I think okay, it's not a problem, because introduction level I can came up with it. But when I attended the viva, it's really hard for me to collaborate with them, because I can't go up with them in talking. Whatever they ask, their question they asked to me, the answer already in my head, but it can come out in my mouth, because I thinking the answer, but I can't answering it. I can answering it. So I think many people in Bangladesh can understand English. It's the it's about they can understand English very good, but when it came to talking, they can't go up with it, because talking and understanding is not the same thing. So I am trying. I am not good at it, but I am trying to be making my content in English. So I need everyone help and support, because it's a really challenging time for me. And there are many reasons to making this decision. In my country, you like private job sectors, or government or private banks, they want English speaking people. If you have like good scores in IELTS, or if you can talking fluently, it's a it's very advantageous for you to get this job. But if you are not good in English, it's really hard to get job. So I think everyone must need to learn English, mostly the speaking, because the communication is the main part of, and making content in English is also a different experience than making content in Bangla. So I decided to make content in English. So I think I am making my next videos in English language. So today I stop here, because the video is too much longer, and I also want to tell something, because my English not much as good, and I can't talking English in fluently, so please don't mind, and please don't please ignore my occurrence, and please support me to making content. So today I end up here. So goodbye. Thank you for watching.